Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to cover the NIOS Mathematics topic Matrix lesson 20, and we are going to see check your progress 20.1 topic. So if you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like and share it with your friends. Here you can find topics from NIOS subject computer science, maths and English. Also grammar topics are available. So let's begin. We have already covered the topic metrics introduction and all. So based on that, we have got some questions here. Let's see what are they. First question is marks scored by two students A and B in 3 tests are given in the adjacent table. You can see a table here. Represent the information in the matrix form in two ways. So both ways you have to show the matrix. So you can form two types of matrix from this given tabular data. So it can be a 2 by 3 matrix or a 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, so first let the matrix looks like this one. We are doing the first question. So if in that case 56, 65, 71 can be the first row, second row will be 29, 37 and 57, and just put it like this. It is a 2 by 3 matrix. Now you can also put it in this format like 56, then 65 and 71. The first row can be converted to column. That way also you can do 29, 37 and 57. So this becomes a 3 row and a 2 column order matrix. So these are the two representations for this matrix possible. You can give a name to it. Let it be X and let this be Y. Okay. Now go to the next question. Second question. It has similarity like the first one. Let's read. 3 films X, Y and Z represents 40, 35, 25 loads of stone and 10 5-weight truckloads of sand respectively. So this is the first row and this is the second row. In that case, represented in two ways. So similarly as you did in the first way, consider X, Y, Z are the three supplies, three firms, and then you are having loads of stone here and loads of sand here. So 40, 35, 25. Next one is 10, 5 and 8 respectively it is given. In this case, when you want to convert it to a matrix form, the first matrix, let it be A. Write it in the same manner: 40, 35, 25, 10, 5 and 8. It becomes 3 by 2 matrix. Next one is B matrix and it can be written as 40, 35, 25. First column gets converted to row. 10, 5 and 8. This will be a 2 row, 3 column matrix. So this is the solution. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. That is third question. Let's read. In a family P, there are 4 men, 6 women and 3 children. In another family, 4 men, 3 women and 5 children. So you have to represent this information as 2 by 3 matrix. So you have to have 2 rows and 3 columns. So it should look like this. 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. So in that case, you can write family P here and you can write family Q here. Representation can be like this: men at the top, then women, and then children, and then fill the values. It is 4, 6, 3, and here it will be 4, 3, and 5. So this is the way of representing your matrix. You can also write it as this manner. Okay. So this is the actual representation of the 2 by 3 matrix. Now next one is how many elements are there in 2 by 3 matrix. So how do you find out total number of elements in a matrix? Is multiply both of them. So consider you are given a matrix with order 2 by 3. In that case, multiply both of them. So whatever is solution, that is 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 elements will be present in your matrix. Now it is 3 by 4. So in this case it will be 4 3s are 12. Similarly 8 here and 12 here. This doesn't have a numerical value. So in this case it can be AB. Here it is MN. Okay. So these are the solutions of the fourth question. Let's move on to the fifth question. What are the possible orders of matrix if it has 8 elements? So we have to find out for an 8 element matrix possible order. So it first let it be 8 into 1 and 1 into 8. These are the two possibilities. Now when you do prime factorization of this 8, let it be 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So what are the different factors you have? 2, 4, 8. Okay, and also 1. So make combinations such that you get the respond or the result as this. So if it is 2, what will be the next matrix? It will be 4. So next one is 4 into 2. These are the two combinations that you get, and only 4 possibilities are there of the orders. Okay. Next one is 5. So if you have 5 elements, you can arrange it as 5 into 1 or 1 into 5, because 5 has only prime factors as 1 and 5. For 12, find out the prime factors first. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So you have got 2, 2 and 3. Also 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 are the prime factors. Okay. So you can write these elements as 12 into 1 and 1 into 12. That are the two orders that are possible. Then if you take 2, it will be 6. 6 into 2. Okay. Two possibilities again. Now if you take 3, it will be 4. 3 4s are 12, and 4 by 3 is also available. Why this 4 has come is, you can see here 1 2, we left out that 4. 4 is also there. 2 into 2 is 4, and 3 into 2 is 6. That also is available. Okay, so since we left that, we have to include all. So we can see here 1 2 4 3 and 6. All possibilities are done with this. So 6 possibilities are there for the order of your matrix. 16. So first find for 16. Okay. So 1 2 16 are available. With that you have got 8 4. See, 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. Then 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 2, and these are the possibilities. Now what you have to do is write down the possibilities. That is 1 into 1 by 16, 16 by 1. This is one possibility. Next one is 2 into 8, 8 into 2. It is another. Then comes 4. 4 4 is 16. No need to write it twice. So these are the possible orders that you are going to get for the matrix. Let's check the sixth question. The sixth question, matrix is given to you. Find the number of rows. So you can see here 1 row, 2, 3 and 4. You have got 4 rows. Here number of columns. This 1 column. For this odd number of columns, this is 1 column, second column, third column, 4 and 5. So this will be 5, and here it will be 4. Order of the matrix. So number of rows by columns. So it is 4 by 5. Next one is total number of elements in matrix A. So total number of elements will be 4 5s are 20 elements. Okay. Next one is A14. So it is first row and fourth column. So first row is this one, and the fourth column is 0. 2 3. Second row and third column. So it is 7. 3 4. 3 4 means third row and fourth element, that is -3. A45, that is fourth row and fifth element, that is 1. A33, 33 is 3. Okay, these are the matrix availability in front of you. Next one is 7th question. You have to construct a 3 by 3 matrix where each element's I and J value is given in the questions, and you have to find out its value based on that. For the first question, 3 by 3 matrix you have to form. So how your 3 by 3 matrix will look like? A11, A12, A13. Okay. Then A21, 22 and 23, A31, 32 and 33. This is how your 3 by 3 matrix will look like. Each element's value is calculated according to this formula. So it is given here. First one is I minus J. So let's assume that the row is I and the column is J. So in this case it will be I and J will be both same value. So let's fill the value. It is I minus J. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Next one is 1 minus 2. It is minus 1. Okay. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 2, 1, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 1. Similarly, you have to do all the things. So here 3 minus 1 will give you the value as 2, 1 and 0. So this is the resulting matrix. For your first question, this is first question's answer. I minus J. Let's solve one more. I square by J. So if it is I square by J, your resulting matrix, we are doing the third question, I square by J. So consider I as the row and J as the column. In this case, 1 square by 1 you will be getting, 2 square by 1, 3 square by 1, here 1 square by 2. Here the result will be 1 by 2, 4 and I square by 1. Okay, it is 1 square by 1. So 1 here and 4, 6. Next will be 1 by 2. Next will be 2, 9 by 2. Here it is 3, 4 by 3 and 1 by 3. Okay. So this is your resulting matrix. This is the solution of your 3 by 3 matrix that you are going to get. Similarly, next question is based on 3 by 2 matrix. So what you have to do here? You have to first form a 3 by 2 matrix which result like this: 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so 3 rows. So how it will be? A11, A12, A21, 22, 31, 32. It will be like this. Similarly, take the value of I as the first one and J as the second one and find out the solutions. So if you go for that, let's solve the B. So 5ij. If it is 5ij, so we are using this formula for that third question. So it will be 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 15. Here it is 10, 4, 20 and then 6, 30 here. So this is the resulting matrix that you will be getting for 5ij. Okay. Similarly, you have to do other questions also. Here you can see I raised to j. It will be I will be whatever row you have and j will be the column. So for the first element will be 1 raised to 1. Okay. Second element 1, 2, it will be 1 raised to 2, like that. Okay, substitute it and find out the values. This is how you have to do this 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows, 2 columns. Hope this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Type your comments in the comment section and subscribe to the channel to get the notifications on time. Thank you for watching.